Hi guys and welcome back to Prosys OPC's YouTube channel. I'm Ivo and in this Forge tutorial I'll guide you through importing Prosys OPC UI Modbus Server configurations into Forge. We will be using Swagger UI to complete the process. Make sure you have access to the Modbus Server configuration files. Let's dive in. So first I will start the Modbus module from the Forge UI. And then I will navigate to the Swagger UI from the advanced menu. Here in the Swagger UI, I need to change to the Forge Modbus Server API from the top right menu. Then we will authenticate ourselves from the authentication dialog with the Forge user credentials. And then we start to look for the one method call that we need for this. So I will open the Modbus Server API and go to the bottom where I can find this post method, which I will then expand. There is more information of this method call, but I will continue straight away to try it out. We will be needing 3 different configuration files from the Modbus server. So I have already opened the Modbus server configuration folder, and here first I will need the UA server config file, then I will need the devices config file right here, and finally I will need the slave config file. After all these 3 configuration files are uploaded, I will execute the method, and we got the response code 200, which means that it's successful, and I will go check that out also from the Forge's UI, and I can see that I have the Modbus devices and servers here, and also if I go further I can see that I have the addresses as well. So the process was successful. That's all for this tutorial. We successfully imported the Prosys OPC UI Modbus server configurations into Forge, allowing you to transition from the legacy server to Forge's advanced capabilities. For more information and tips, be sure to check out our Mastering Forge tutorial series, link in the description. Thanks for checking out Forge with us. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. We would love to hear your feedback, so drop us a comment below or reach out using the info in the description box. Until next time.